So does this go over FIFO? Okay, so we'll go over the FIFO specific solution for this 5.2. I won't make a Google Sheets for this. We'll just go over it so you can see. So beginning inventory is 5 units. So we go through our sheets. What you're going to have to always do is write it out like I did on the Google Sheets. Right, so a company reported the following December purchases and sales data for its only product. Beginning inventory, 5 units at $3 for 15. This is all given, right? The acquired at cost, you're not going to have to determine. I'll tell you it's 5 units at $3. What you'll have to determine is a $15. So we started our inventory with this. That's a given. I might also tell you the ending inventory. Our previous ending inventory is always equal to our starting inventory. On December 8th, we have purchases 10 units at $4.50. That's $45. And then we sell 8 units at $7, right? That's not a cost. That's our selling value. We have purchases of 13 units at $5. Our sales of 18 units at $8. And our purchases of 8 units at $5.30. And so our total cost is going to be the sum of each of these, right? So I'll show you how I do it with a calculator for those of you who aren't as comfortable with Google Sheets or Excel. So 15, so each one of these, right, is a calculation of the units times the cost per unit. You're probably not going to be given the total cost. You need to calculate that yourself. So 5 times 3 is a 15, so on and so forth. 15 plus 45 plus 65 plus 42.4 is our 167.40. Our total units is just the 8 plus 18 at 26. And we can figure out our total sales here too if we wanted. 8 times 18, we have $144 of sales here. 7 times 8 will be our $56 of sales here. So if we determine our FIFO costs for this period, we'll skip here. This is using the perpetual method. That's what we're going to be focused on. We sold 26 units. So those 26 units are going to be from the first units sold, right? So we know that we're going to have 5 of the 15. We sold 36 units, right? So there's 2 ways to look at this. We either can look at what's the leftover value of the last 10 units, or we can look at what's the cost of the first 26 units. So we know we have 5 times 15. I mean, 5 times 3, that's $15. And then I'd say 26 minus 5, I have 21 units left. And then I'd subtract 10. So I'd say all of that sold, all of the 10 is sold because these are first units. And then 11 of these 13 units is sold. That's when we run out, right? We run out of a bucket. And so this would be 11 times the 5. So I'd have $50 from this bucket plus 45 plus 15. Would be our 115 cost of goods sold. That's kind of how I'd go about calculating it quickly, right? Is I just say, hey, I have 26 units I sold, and I'd figure out when the bucket ends. So I'll go over that again. The 26, we started at the beginning, minus 5. Okay, that's 21. Minus 10, that's 11. Oh, okay, this is where I run out, right? I don't have any more inventory left here. This 13 units. I'm going to sell only 11 of these. My remaining units, I'd have 2 units remaining, right, from this bucket, and all my units remaining from the last bucket. And then to calculate the cost of goods sold, I do 11 times the 5. That's 55. Plus I sold all from this and all from the first bucket. That's this 115 here. They're just doing the tracking down below. And then how do I figure out what my ending inventory is? My ending inventory, well, we know we had 2 units left here. So 2 times 5 plus all of my ending units. That's the 52.4.